Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to talk about how to fix TeaTV not working on Firestick. Clear cache, update APK and fix gaming link. Fix 1. Restart your Fire Stick. First of all, you have to unplug the Fire Stick from its power outlet, then wait around 30 to 60 seconds. Then you have to just plug it back in and power it up again. This will clear all the temporary glitches. Fix 2. Check your internet and router. Ensure your Wi-Fi is functioning properly with other devices. If your Fire Stick continue to buffer or lose connection, you just have to restart your router. If your network is unstable, TeaTV may appear not to work. Fix 3. Clear TeaTV cache and data. For that, you just have to navigate to Firestick homepage. Then there you have to select setting. Then go to the apps. Then there you have to select manage install apps. Then locate the TeaTV and choose clear cache to resolve the issue. If the problem continue, you have to select clear data to fix freezing, crashes and loading errors. Fix 4. Reinstall or update the TeaTV. For that you have to move to the setting. Then there you have to select My Fire TV. Then choose developer option. You have to turn on the option for the apps for unknown sources. You have to download the downloader app from the Amazon App Store. Then you have to open the downloader and enter a TeaTV APK link. Then you have to download and install the APK file. Once that is installed, delete the APK to free up the space. Open the TeaTV from the app and channel section. Fix 5. Update your Fire Stick system. You have to navigate to the home page, then select setting. Then you have to choose My Fire TV, or you can select a device and software. You have to click on About, then click on Check for Update. Install any pending update. This will also help to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.